In this work, we introduce a new method for real-time rendering of glinty appearances. We build upon the work of Zur and Kaplan-Yen and introduce fundamental improvements that both remove artifacts and drastically improve performance in a wide variety of rendering scenarios. In the following sequences, we provide supplemental comparisons of our method with theirs, as well as the physically based state-of-the-art method of Shermain et al. Both previous methods incorrectly blend the outputs of their Glinty NDF process in between levels of detail, which results in ghosting artifacts. We introduce an interpolation scheme that solves this issue by preserving the correct statistics. Additionally, they both rely on a traditional map hierarchy to handle isotropic level of detail and fall back on manual filtering for anisotropic pixel footprints at a large and variable cost. We introduce a novel anisotropic grid parameterization of the surface that natively handles any pixel footprint with a lower, fixed cost. We combine this with an improved approximation of the binomial law that also features a lower, fixed cost. Together, these improvements allow for much faster and more stable performance. For performance reasons, Zur and Kaplan-Yen only generate discrete glints that appear and disappear instantly, in an unrealistic manner. Thanks to our performance improvements, we can afford to generate smooth, continuous glinty appearances similar to the physically based results of Shermain et al. Here, to validate this, we compare our method and theirs, with matching parameters across a range of glinty appearances. Finally, both previous methods are restricted to targeting the Beckman NDF due to implementation details. Instead, our formulation is simpler and trivially compatible with any chosen distribution function. We showcase this here with the GGX NDF, which has become the de facto function used for PBR materials in real-time rendering engines. We leverage this to implement our method in Unity's high-definition render pipeline, which we use to render our teaser scene. We distribute this as well as our minimalist test bench and their respective source codes for reproducible results. Thank you for watching.